Guys, welcome back to the channel and to another balancing video. In today's video we're balancing a little water maker pump impeller. Let me just show you the impeller quickly. So the impeller in question is this little boy. He's not too big, not too heavy. I'm going to stick it onto the machine and let's see how out of balance this boyki is. Alright, enjoy this video, guys. Okay, so she's all set up. I got my end stops on here. She's going to stop against the cap screw there. Belts on, got my laser, my beam on, and the end stop is on here. So now I'm just going to run it slowly first, just to see how centralized it is, so I can set everything up so that it can run center, and then I'll start putting in the data over there. Right, let me just do this quickly. Right, so she's running now. It's not touching there, and it's just clearing that section there. When I started it up, she was a bit too much this way. She was running up against this, and I'm sure you saw it spinning, so I just kind of set the float right. Okay, so now I'm going to just clean the rollers off again and put some oil on and capture the data. Right, so it's worth knowing that this machine, this pump runs at about 2,950 revs per minute. I'm going to make this thing's operational speed 3,000 and its balancing speed 1,000. Okay, I'm going to capture all the data now. I'm not going to show that because you guys all know how this set work already if you've been watching my other videos. So I'm going to put this on time lapse and capture all this data, as well as when I'm going to calibrate this impeller. Alright, let me carry on. Alright, so there I'm going up to 880. I'm going to go up to 1000. That's the balancing speed that I wanted. Okay, that's a bit over 1,000. Let's just bring it back down again. Okay, now I'm going to start doing the calibration. Alright, so as you can see, she's 3.66 grams out at 313 degrees. Just bring that speed down a little bit. Okay, let's print this. Okay, so here we have it. I got it down as H2O impeller, water making pump bronze impeller. 0.9 is the weight. Radius is that. And she's 3.66 out at 313. Unqualified. Let's bring her into qualification. Right, so I must take some mass off here on that side. I'm going to take some off now, and let's just see what the results are. Alright, so we're back on the machine. You can see the patch that I grinded there, and we're down to 2.22 at 318. Okay, let's carry on. Okay, we're back up to our balancing speed and we're down to 1.41 grams at 325 degrees. I'm just going to switch off now and I'll show you where I've been grinding. So if I turn the impeller, this is where I've been grinding here. So anyway, we got 1.41 to come off. Well, not exactly the full amount, but we're still unqualified. Alright, let's grind and carry on. Alright, so we're back on. And I was down to 0.45 at 352. So you can see it's still unqualified. So let's carry on. Right, so also let me just show you that most of the unbalanced weight is concentrated on this area over here. So there's not much that must come off now. So let me just work it some more. Okay, so we're back on. Right, so we almost on 1,000. You can see 0.06 grams. I mean, guys, that's like no weight. At 209, she's almost spot center. I mean, I could work it to the center, but I mean, this is well qualified. So let's just print this quickly. Alright, so here we got the side by side. She was 3.66 at 313, and this one is 0.06 at 204. You can see the permissible mass was 0.13, so we even half of what the computer is saying is permissible. So she is well within target. These are very little masses, but for the size of the impeller, this is like quite a bit, you know, if you consider the weight of the impeller. So anyway, let me just show you where I grinded on the impeller. Okay, so in order for me to get this thing balanced, let me just stand here. In order for me to get this thing balanced, I had to grind there, and then I had to just touch these areas here and a little dot over here to get this thing balanced out. So yeah, she should be done. And that's it. Another one bites the dust. Alright, so that's the end of this one, guys. This little wiki, something different. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share, and I'll catch you in the next one. Cheers for now.